Okay, 2019 Bowman Jumbo Box, Hobby Box, 3 autos per box. This will be box break number 8. And our last box wasn't that promising, but I think I got a good feeling about this one. All right, let's start off with the first pack. That here. Or you know what? Never pulled a superfractor. That I would like to pull. Superfractor would be nice. So let's start. Let's get to the meat and potatoes. The chrome. We got this. Nick Senzel. Dakota Hudson. Ooh, Dakota. And our first auto is Isranel Wilson. Isranel Wilson, also probably known as Izzy. First Bowman auto, Isranel or Izzy Wilson. It's a nice card. And that's about it for that. First auto right off the bat on the top. Now you know where to look. Open up a fresh box. Just grab the first top, bottom, right-hand corner. MJ Alvarez. Vladdy Guerrero inserts. And okay, so we got that base pack there. All right, grab one from here. This. What we got here? This. Jared Kelnick. 2 of them. Look at that, eh? Jared and Jared, top 100. We've got a blue paper, Daniel Johnson, 409 out of 499. And Mike Trout inserts. All right. Oh, they didn't want to come out. Bo Burrows. Travis Swaggerty. Rookie of the Year favorite, Justin Sheffield. Oh, in the Seattle. And Jonathan India. Insert. I actually thought that was going to be an auto. But apparently not. Sure, that was going to be an auto. But you know what? That's okay. Logan Allen, Matt Manning, Alex Scherf, Eloy Jimenez insert, got some pipeline, and Albert Abreu. Okay. Done half the box. I see something atomic or refractor. No, it's atomic, yeah. Brent Rooker. Ryan Weathers. Atomic Cubs. Is that a Cubby? It is. It's Atomic Cubs. First, Bowman Miguel Amaya. Miguel Amaya. Cubs, 76 out of 100. Refractor. Atomic. That's Atomic Auto. Nice. I'll add that to the pile. That's our second auto. Right there. Miguel. I wonder what he's up to. Looks like he's in the back. That's our second auto. Jeez, we only got one left. Wow. We're pulling the autos. A lot of numbered inserts, though. We got Hunter Green. Oh. Okay. Oops. Those together. Okay. Nothing mentioned going on in this pack. A lot of rookies in this. A lot of minor leaguers in this 2019 Bowman. I kind of like that, you know. I really, really like how they showcase the youngins. And I see something speckled going on. There's a Chance Adams numbered purple out of 250. And Oakland A's Jesus Luzardo speckle. We got 111 out of 299 there. A 111 card. Nice card. It's Casey Mize. Pulled an auto of him on the last box. Which is really cool. The autograph you would prefer would probably be the 2018 Bowman. Nicer autograph there. Brady Singer. First Bowman sucks. Steele Walker. Steele Walker, 222 out of 499. That's our third auto. Steele Walker. Bo Sox. No, excuse me. White Sox, not Bo Sox. White Sox. My mistake. My error. White Sox. Steele Walker auto. We got here. Oh, we got Aqua Shimmer, Jazz Chisholm. Aqua Shimmer, Jazz Chisholm. So now we get some numbered cards, and our final pack, we will get that was the White Sox autograph I wanted, the Eloy Jimenez. And we get a base pack. So we do a recap. Jazz Chisholm, 40 out of 125. Aqua Shimmer, non-auto. Autograph Steele Walker. First Bowman Chrome Refractor out of 499. Steele Walker auto. Jesus Luzardo Speckle non-auto out of 299 Refractor. We got Chance Adams paper out of 250. I don't know why it says rookie card, because he did have a 2018 Bowman card. So I don't know how that works, but Miguel Amaya. Potato, 76 out of 100 Refractor auto. Jonathan India insert, Trout insert, and our first auto, Isranel Wilson, also known as Izzy. Thanks for watching.